Hi there, my name is Ajomo Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills. In this video, we'll learn how to upload files on Google Drive. To upload files on your Google Drive, go to the top left of your screen. On this plus button, click, select File Upload, and browse to the directory of your files. Mine is on download, so I'm already on download. Select the file you want to upload. When it comes to selecting files, there are a couple of ways you can do. If you want to select a single file, just click on it. If you want to select multiple files, click and drag. And better still, you can hold Control on your keyboard if you are on PC, and on Mac you press Command and click on the file to select. Now I've selected 4 files. Next, select Open to upload, and on the right bottom of the screen you have a progress bar that shows the file uploading. Now it has finished uploading. 4 uploads complete. When your file finish uploading, we have this green tick next to the file indicating that it has been uploaded. Now let's refresh our page to view the files. We have our files being uploaded successfully. That is it for this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.